Hi guys, again welcome to this class. Now I am going to tell you how to write the trigonometric table and trigonometric of the trigonometry in the chapter trigonometry. Here we go, the trigonometric table and trigonometric ratios. Is it clearly visible to you? I think so. First of all, let us see trigonometric table. So here is the trigonometric table. How we can write it. So, I will tell you a shortcut how to write these and use less time compared to this. Okay, what you have to do is that here it is given like this. So, first of all, you have to write, take this off, 0 by 4, 1 by 4, that will be 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and then 4 by 4. So this is how we write, and for all these things we have to keep root over. So what is the value of this? This value is 0, so sin theta is 0. So what is the value of this? 1 by 2, the sin theta value is 1 by 2. What is the value of this? Root of 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. So that is root of 1 is 1 and root of 2 is 2. Root of. So root of 1 by root over 1 by 2. And then if we have root over to 3 by 4, root 4 is equal to 2, root 3 is the same as root 3. And 4 by 4 1, root 1 is 1. Simple thing, I have to write this reverse. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, we have same, right? 1 by root 1. And 1 by 2 and at last 0. This is how we write. And then tan theta is the very simplest compared to these. What you have to do is that we have to divide sin theta by cos theta like this. 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled, 1 by 3 remains. And here 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 cancel and we will get 1 remaining. And then root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, 2 get cancelled, root 3 will be remain, that's our answer. And we all know that 1 by 0 upon anything is infinite. That first we got. And then cosec theta. What is this cosec theta? Cosec theta is the inverse ratio of sin theta. Written, right? Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, that is equal to AC by JB. This is the triangle. In right angle triangle, we have all these values now. Okay. That is how we write tan theta. And sin theta we have to write. No? So what we have to do is that we have to divide all these values by 1. So what we will write here? 1 by 0, that is infinite. 1 by 1 by 2, to get upon upwards, we get 2. And 1 by root 2, 1 by 1 by root 2, that is root 2. Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3 by 2, that is 2 by root 3. Here we got it. And 1 by 1 by 1, that is 1. So this is how we write cosec theta, the inverse ratio of sin theta. I think you are getting understood, right? Okay. Next, let us go to the secant theta. What is the secant theta? The inverse proportion of cos theta is the secant theta. So what we have to do for getting secant theta? We have to divide the values of cos theta by 1. Upon 1, sorry. So what we have to do here? 1 by 1, the 1 upon 1, 2 gets upwards, 2 by root 3, get up 1, root 2 gets upwards, root 2, we get 1, 2 gets upon 2, and if we keep 1, yes, if we keep that, we will get here infinite, right? 1 by 0, right? 1 by everything is infinite, we already know that. And then coming to the last cot theta. What is this cot theta? Like simple now. Find cosec theta is the sin theta's multiplicative inverse. And secant theta is the inverse ratio of cos theta. That way, cot theta is the inverse ratio of tan theta. What we have to do? We have to divide it by 1 by 0. Wait. Infinite, right? 1 by root 3 is get upwards root 3. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by root 3 is 1 by root 3. Infinite. Power 1 is infinite. So this is now how to write the shortcut method for the trigonometric table. Okay. So now let us go to the trigonometric ratios. So I have to explain you first these and then you can understand this. But I think in your 10th class you can already studied about these now. That's why I said this first. Okay, trigonometric ratios. What are the trigonometric ratios? We have totally 6 trigonometric ratios until now. What are those? Those are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. Okay, now this is what are the 6 trigonometric ratios we have. So what was the value of trigonometric ratios in a rectangle triangle? Now we are going to learn about those. Okay, see here first of all we have sin theta, right? If you take a right angle triangle, the value of sin theta is that, let us think that here point C and the angle between those two lines is theta. Theta is nothing but a variable like x, y and so on. Please don't confused on this and don't think, oh my god, again theta came like that. Theta is nothing but just a variable which is used to denote an angle. Okay. So here, let us think this angle is theta. So we have to write that sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Right? The right angle triangle, what are the sides we have if we take a certain angle like theta? We have hypotenuse side, opposite side to theta and adjacent side to theta. These are the 3 sides we have in the right angle triangle when we have taken an angle like theta. Okay, so sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So for theta, what is the opposite side? Yes, the opposite side is AB. And what was the hypotenuse? This was the hypotenuse, right? So I have written here AB by AC, isn't it? AB by. So this was it, guys. The sin theta's value is AB by AC, the right angle triangle, right? Now, what is cosecant theta? I have already explained you in this table. Cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta, right? Cosecant theta into sin theta is equal to 1. Remind this. Your examination, it is very useful for you. So, what is the value? And now we can secant theta. I have already explained you here what is secant theta. What is it? Yes, secant theta is 1 by cos theta. So what is the value of secant theta? Yes, the inverse ratio of this cos theta. So what is the inverse ratio of cos theta? AC by BC. So that's how we write cos theta. And at last we have tan theta. What is this? At last we have tan theta. What is this tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but the right angle triangle compared to theta. The value of tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Is it visible? Is it visible to you? Yes. This is opposite by adjacent side. So what is the opposite side to theta? AB. And what is the adjacent side to theta? BC. That's what we write. Otherwise, the value of tan theta is also sin theta by cos theta. See once. Sin theta by cos theta. What is sin theta? AB by AC upon BC by AC. AC get cancelled. AB by BC. That's what we get. That's it. Okay guys. Now, what was this cos theta? Here we already got about it. What was it? That is 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. Cot theta into tan theta is equal to what? Okay. Because cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. If you multiply cot theta into tan theta, see here. Cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1, no? How can we write cot theta? 1 by tan theta into tan theta is equal to 1. Tan theta cancelled, 1 is equal to 1. That's simple. Okay, what was the value of cot theta? Inverse ratio of this tan theta. So this is how we write in the trigonometric table and the trigonometric ratios. Okay guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. And now, to learn new more tricks, please follow in our channel. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next class.